Welcome back everybody to today's episode of Jason's Design Shop. Today we're going to go back out in the field there at my brother's house and cut down the rest of that cherry tree. There's a big stump left. We're going to try to get some cross-cut slabs to make round log tables with, coffee tables or side tables, things like that. So, which will take a long time for them to dry and everything. So check this out and enjoy the show. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to try to cut this flat to flip it over and make a cool table. There's 3 legs going to come out of it. These are 3 different limbs. Created a platform to try to go flat across it. We'll see how it goes. Then we got to chop it off down there too. Okay friends, we've got this big stump left behind on our cherry tree. And I've created a little platform up there. Oh, nice shadow. Okay, a platform. Because there's 3 big limbs that went off of this at a funny angle. So that's level. And we're going to try to cut that about, 3 inches thick here, straight across with our chainsaw mill. With this guy, going to point all the way in there there's no connection out here, so we can go all the way around the log, sticking this in, and hopefully it will come out pretty evenly cut. If not, we got major work to do on a sledded flattening jig. About halfway through, giving it a rest. Gonna put some wedges in the crack. Got a pretty good straight line. I'm excited. Love this jig, huh? Huge bite on that riser. Gonna push it off and we'll slowly go down and flip it upside down to see what it looks like inside.
Okay, tell me when.
Go ahead.
It's heavy.
That's what I wanted to avoid. Look at that. 2 cores, 3 cores, that's cool. We can glue that back together. That is amazing. We're pretty flat, but we're definitely going to need to router that off. That looks pretty cool. I'm sad that broke, but we can glue all that together. That's actually bark probably in there.
Maybe some nails.
See, so these were, when it was a smaller tree, they were separate and they just got pushed together. Beautiful. That's gonna make an awesome table. Look at that. I'm excited. That's gonna make a beautiful table. Let's get to work.
I don't get to use the teeth.
Now we're going around the bottom. It's a lot harder because the root comes out everywhere. There it is. I've got it all balanced on that little stick, if you can believe it, before we push it over. It's amazing. It looks cool in there. I'll have to get a slab of this piece down here.
Good luck.
That's amazing. Look at those rings. Look how big those rings are there. The dark metal. Some cool pieces. Careful now. Wow. Let's push it over like this. Boom. Okay, we're done. We did it. Huge block. Looks amazing. Got 3 rings on this side. Make some cool 4 cross-cut tables there. That's basically 2 feet across. 24 inches. It's got some good cracks in here that go all the way through, I think, as they get bigger as they go to the other end. So the limbs break out. But it's an amazingly smooth cut, all by hand, without the jig. And that's the bottom. be some cool tables. Excited. Love this. Rot comes out, and you have a nice hole in it. Isn't that great? Same here. Some rot comes out. Hard knot there on the end. Okay. So you've got all of these rounds that we cut. There's like four slabs there. There's one under the deck, and there's three more over there. So three or four legs of rounds drilled into that. Make a table. It's gonna be awesome. All right, everybody, wasn't that cool? So now we have a bunch of round logs here in my garage, slabs of that stump that we're gonna make furniture with, hopefully. So I'm really excited about that. Stay tuned for those. As soon as this place warms up enough, I'm gonna start making some furniture. So stay tuned. Later, guys. I almost forgot, and I know I promised you that bear. It's sitting outside, about half carved. Got half that video started, and it just got too cold and started snowing. So again, that'll probably be the first thing that I finish and get that video out. So you'll see me make my first chainsaw bear is what I'm talking about, for those who don't know that I was working on that. All right, so have a nice day.